Greetings, fellow travelers and riders and theme park enthusiasts. T5 the Traveler here, and Becky the Trekkie. That's Kumba running behind us. So we're going to get on Kumba next here at Busch Gardens in Tampa, Florida. We've got a very hot day, so if you look really sweaty, it's like 100 degrees again, as usual. And we'll bring you along board for the ride. Stick with us for the ride, and then afterwards we'll let you know what we think. And I thought it was going to compare to Kraken here, but we're seeing a 4-seater car across, so really everything's kind of hidden. If you haven't been here or ridden the rides, or we try not to do a lot of research before we get on a coaster that we've never ridden, because we like to just let you know what we think, just as a ride, as if we knew nothing about it, and it kind of helps with the intensity and stuff, if you don't know what's coming. So anyway, without any further ado, Kumba, they got these nice misters up here. We'll show you a little bit what the queue looks like, and then we'll see you on the ride. Let's go. Sorry.
Yeah.
All right. Looks like a 5-minute wait right on in. It's really kind of tucked away towards the back of the park. You got to go up to the top of the hill, just past where you can get a free beer if you've got a platinum pass. You can get some 2 7-ounce beers if you're into that sort of thing. Make sure you're 21, of course. And wow, this is a total walk-on, everybody. So we're going to see you on the ride here real soon. I guess I'll go in first this time. Get that outside seat for everybody. In we go. Kumba, Busch Gardens. Looks like overhead restraints. Sit down, not too sticky.
Please secure all loose articles and step into the coaster as quickly and safely as
Just
possible.
pull it down and clip her in.
Down to your waist.
And I'm locked in. Can't put your hands up on this one. Got these big old over the shoulder. I'm hoping this isn't a headbanger.
Oh my god, my arms are hot.
Yeah, you just got to keep them down by the restraints. There's not a lot of room for the arms.
Please lift up on your safety.
If you want to hold the bars, you can.
It is securely locked.
See how we go.
And enjoy your
Front
ride
row.
as you conquer Kumba.
It's like a... oh. Thank you. Oh, we're clear. Okay. Quick load. So definitely get on this thing. Well, I don't want to tell everybody to ride it until we actually ride it. Let's see how it is first. Oh boy. It's got a big long loop there. This might be a loud one. I don't know. We'll see. Up, up, and away. Oh, it's not too loud. Might get a little view of Tampa at the top here. Looks like downtown's over here. You ready for this one, Becky? I don't. Really, the headrest is so far back you can't even put your head back. So we're just going to try not to bang the old ears. And here we go. What is this?
Oh my god.
Near miss. Whoa. Wow, okay. You get a lot for your money on this one. Holy smokes. Wow, how many inversions? 6 or 7? I lost count.
I did too.
You think it was 6? Jeez, okay.
Yeah.
It does roar on the track a little bit.
Is it what?
It roars on the track. I hit the ear one time. Just on that one last barrel roll, but I gotta say,
Yeah.
had a nice ride. go. All right, just coming off of Kumba, had a nice ride there. Had a great ride. What did you think, Becky?
Yeah, I loved all of the inversions. It had some great speed. It was kind of a little bit, I thought, rattly shaky though at some parts, but overall, I had a good ride.
Really, I don't know how many inversions that thing had. Like 6. I'm gonna say maybe 6 or 7. I'll have to look it up. Really, I thought we were done, and then at the end you got those big barrel roll corkscrew loops there,
yeah.
And then right into that last helix. It drags on the track a little bit at times. I feel like right on the big loop, maybe there was a little bit of a stall when the back of the train was coming around, but not bad.
A little bit.
And I just did hit the ear one time on that one last corkscrew. But all in all, really, it wasn't too bad. It didn't really bang the restraints. Did you hit a little bit?
Yeah, it was a little bit back and forth, but nothing terrible.
Really, the big over-the-shoulder bulky restraints aren't our favorites. So you got to drop it down maybe one number there. But I'll give it a solid 7 out of 10 for a ride. Really, the walk-on is great. We got right in the front row. It's just really hot today. We got a really hot, humid day. We've been getting some rain every day here at Busch Gardens. It's like 95 degrees, so we're sweating it up. But we'll throw a different fresh shirt on, and we'll hit a couple more coasters for everybody. And big thank you to all our loyal subscribers, fellow travelers, and we'll see you soon on the next ride. Bye, everybody.